Good. Logging onto what's it called? World of Warships. Yeah.
Oh, hey, we can just do it. Hey, look.
Hmm.
Okay, there we go. Not ready. Okay. Are you in the clan?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're the what's it called? Right? Co-leader.
Hold on, let me.
This game has like
I haven't actually looked over here for a while. You didn't. Oh. So, which one are you, Skybox?
yeah.
Okay.
Dang, I'm just gonna watch this thing, the cinematic for this for a second. Oh my god, beautiful.
Come on. You need to get on so I can add you as a contact and add you. Because that's the only way I can add you for
Okay,
the
I'm at
division.
it. I'm like connecting right now. It's loading.
Zigut. Zigut.
Yeah, I'm in. Invite me.
First, I have to
That.
add you, and then we gotta go like this, and then I can clue.
I don't got any good ships though. I only got the Kaiser, the Nassau, the Coburg, the Langley, the Wyoming, the
You don't
Clemson,
need good ships. Like, legit, we're not looking for good ships here.
South Carolina.
Hey, you're fine.
Okay, we're all doing like tier 3s so we can get good ships, so you're
Okay,
fine.
I'll just do Kaiser. Or I
Oh,
could do no.
well, you said ready, so I just clicked the
I
button to say.
I wasn't ready.
But when you click the ready button, we all assume you're ready. It's kind of the point of the ready button.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be probably in a tier 4-3 or a tier four
Because of
five.
me dragging in you. Oh wow, we got carriers. Okay, let's all stick together so we can combine our anti-aircraft.
Yeah. Moreover, we're in a tier 5. Not gonna be straying too far from you, the Kaiser. Um,
Look at what's it called? You're Captain Lincoln. Yeah, rip you.
rip me. I've got a 4-second reload and absolutely no anti-aircraft.
And just stick by like me or him. I got the best anti-aircraft though.
I
Okay,
have
so
Just
osteoporosis.
be
head
quiet,
straight.
poster.
Let's
We're
go.
doing a video.
Sorry.
I'm gonna go at half speed because that's about your speed. So
Yeah. Okay.
until I'm like pretty much like.
Okay. Here's
Can
what we're
I
gonna
join
do.
in?
No, we already started. We already got 3 people. Okay, Carter, get
Oh,
next to me. Warm up.
guys, I'll just play it by myself then.
Arrow formation. What's it called? ADL will be on the right. You'll be on the left, Carter.
I've got to take center because I'm the fastest one here.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'll be on the right then. Arrow formation. ADL's lead ship.
Moreover, I can fire off a lot of shots once I'm in range because I
Just
got a
use
4-second.
just use HE if you didn't know, cause Carter
I,
didn't know.
I do know how to slightly
I
play
can
a crew.
Citadel you right now, Carter. How do you feel about that?
Well, I don't care.
Remember last time I
It's not
basically
true.
took you down to half health in one volley?
Yeah.
Okay.
Once I get spotted, I'm screwed.
Not really,
So
though. If they're when we're in battle, they'll go after me or Carter, cause we're the better
I'm an
ships.
easy target because I'm a tier 3.
Yeah, but they'll still go after us, cause we're more of a threat.
Are you done?
No, I think.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a battleship. Oh no. Uh, 2 battleships, a Kaiser and a Koenig. Okay, you're gonna have to call some serious fires, ADL, if we're gonna win this. With cruiser support, yep. We're outgunned. Bombers incoming, set anti-aircraft to that. Fire on that destroyer.
No. Hey, Dent.
Yeah.
Calm down, buddy.
Yep, they're going for me, of course. Oh! Ah.
Smoked himself.
Oh.
Shit.
They're
Oh
on
shit.
fire,
Oh
but I
shit.
got one down.
Oh.
Ooh. Don't repair,
Huh.
Carter. Do not repair. Just do
Rip
not repair.
you.
We're battleships. We soak up this stuff. Okay, fire. I am in range of the cruiser. Everybody open fire at will.
I'm not.
I'm
Wait,
breaking.
what? Torpedoes! Break! Carter, please suck up. No, I'm soaking up all of them.
I'm breaking up star.
Ooh,
I'm going starboard. Oh shit.
cover
Going
me,
starboard.
I'm breaking off. I just got hit by torpedoes.
You're not the only one.
Bro, I got hit by 3.
I don't care.
I got hit by 3. You got hit by 1.
I'm gonna be against 2 cruisers all by myself, so you know.
Just fire on the battleships. Cause some fires, okay?
I can't fire on the battleships. I've got my own problems.
Okay. Yeah, we need our destroyer to actually do something instead of retreat. Carter, stick with me. Come on, turn right. But don't get too close in case of, angle, please. Okay, good. This guy's facing broadside. Okay, hits, I guess. It ate a little bit ahead. 6k damage. Okay, don't beach, ADL. We don't need that right now.
I'm not gonna beach.
Okay, the Phoenix has torps, and I'm pretty sure that other cruiser has torps, so get away from that, okay? Carter.
Oh, I'm gone. Goodbye.
No! Bruh.
Mate. I got cracked in half.
Oh no. What? Oh no. Okay, those torpedoes died.
Yeah, car's gone.
Of course, cars don't. Ow! Oh, that did. No! Okay, I don't care actually.
You're gonna ram into each other now.
I'm probably just gonna ran into a. Oh my! Oh, destroyer! Break off, Carter! Break off quick! Carter, get away!
I'm starting to think that we should no longer listen to dense combat.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same.
No offense, Dent, but
Rip me.
oh, rip
me.
Oh! Oh!
Almost. And
I hope you die then.
Rip.
Bruh. Bruh.
Fires.
Ooh! Ooh! 4 torpedoes. We're all down.
Rip you.
I got hit by like 7 torpedoes in total.
You guys need a cruiser, right?
We already got a cruiser.
For it.
Ooh, look at this Omaha right here.
We need to stop going into tier 5 battles, and maybe we'll actually do something.
Fine, I'll just go with my St. Louis, okay?
Thank you. Because, like, you know, going into a tier 5 battle with a tier 3 ship, that sounds like a great plan.
I'm only tier 4.
Yes, but you bring us up an entire tier.
Oh my god, we were up against that Koning. We weren't gonna win this anyway. Bro, somebody's actually using a New York. Okay, what is this? This is a, oh yeah, New York.
Look, they've won this game already, so...
Ooh, torpedoes getting awfully close. Oh, yep, rip that. Rip the New York. Ooh, ooh.
Game.
Defeat, rip.
This time.
Oh god.
This time, we is going to actually do this properly.
I'm dead. Guys, I'm dead inside the server.
I'm ready.
Well, some of us aren't not. So, you know. Stop. Wait a minute. You're mark up. Let's see how many.
Congratulations on the victory. I'm very proud of you, Cart.
What?
Cart, you did
What?
better than me. Where's the card? Cardtown, you did better than me.
What?
Yeah, we sort of left you.
I don't care. I'm getting off. I need to go to sleep. I just needed to turn this off anyways, so I said hi. And I wanted to collect my container.
We took dense combat orders.
We are not gonna do that ever
Cardtown's the
again.
highest rank.
I know, but we let dense command this one because I was too lazy to fight him. And yeah, that went well.
ADL, you're in command.
Thank you.
I really need to make you one of y'all deputy commander.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I'll sleep on it.
Imagine you make dent. Just be like, we're all.
Well, have fun.
Alright then. Sorry for beating on you there, but please. You know, you get the idea there. So,
Wait,
what
oh
tasks?
yeah, did y'all get the, what's it called, skills that y'all are supposed to?
Like what?
What's it called? It's in the commander skill, it's incoming fire alert. Supposed to get that.
Alright, whenever you people are ready.
Got about like 10 minutes, 13.
Actually, you got 9 minutes plus the...
Okay.
Yeah, now I'm ready.
My
Protect
clock
Carter.
is off.
So Germans have the best battleships, Americans have the best cruisers, and kinda, like, a little bit destroyers.
I prefer German cruisers personally. Just the perfect preference.
The St. Louis is better than the Coburg.
I debate that. I've played those ships, and personally, I like the Coburg better. It feels faster, faster fire rate, not as heavy damage or armor.
How much health does yours have?
How much health?
Yeah,
18.
18,000?
18's technically.
I got 29,000.
Mine makes up for it in speed. I can go 30 knots, no problem.
30 knots? Okay.
Yeah.
Let me test mine.
Like 30 knots if I got the upgrade. And if this game was actually realistic in terms of speed. Okay, so let's look around for a second.
Okay, mine goes... Wait.
Okay, we're gonna go left. So, port.
Mine goes 21 point... Wait, it's still climbing. Wait. That to be... Okay, wait. I forgot how to, like, view the stats of my ship in battle. Yeah, 22.
27.
Yeah, just 22.
27.
We're just leaving. Oh wait, it's still climbing.
Hey, turn left, left. Port.
I know.
Turn hard.
I'm
Because otherwise,
aiming at Carter right now.
don't stop.
One shot for good. Oh no, he's aiming at me now.
Yeah, look
you can shoot if
across.
you want.
Look across for a second. I understand you have like 18 guns. I have 12. and I guarantee you my reload. You just shot at me. Now
No, I
you.
didn't.
One of
Did he
your
shoot
guys.
at you?
I didn't shoot at you. I shot at the mountain.
You don't do that.
I know.
Reveals your position to the enemy.
I know. I know that also. Battleship.
Yep.
I hope our Phoenix can get close though.
Yeah, just sort of.
Torp.
I'm looking for the.
The Phoenix has torps.
Their destroyers are behind us. I'll go see if I can dispatch one of them. Come on. I believe in my shots. I believe.
It's so easy to aim with the cruisers. It's like,
Ooh, I might light this cruiser up. I missed.
come on, give me some fires. Come on. Took out two of its anti-aircraft. Really? That's all? I
It's
remember
something.
I can Citadel with HE. I did that once. Well,
Oh
actually,
my gosh.
2 times. On a
Logic.
battleship with HE. I don't know how it happened.
No, right?
Yeah,
Dude, that's
I
really,
just
really
took out
rare.
one of those St. Louis's guns. Now it's firing at me. It's mad.
He's
Oh,
triggered.
it did no damage. It only did like 5. Okay. Double team that, Wyoming.
What do you think I'm doing?
I thought you were taking care of a cruiser like you said.
I can't. The destroyers are too far out, so I've got to dispatch this Wyoming. I'm trying to light them on fire. It isn't working too well.
Where are you shooting?
Citadel frontal turrets. Oh, there we go. Got some of his secondaries.
Aim for his bridge. Oh, those torps. Oh, they did hit. Oh, yes they did.
Hit him in. Oh, jeez,
Okay,
I'm about to get rammed by mountain.
Carter, turn right. But don't broadside. Just try and take out that St. Louis. It's like broadsiding and it's not moving.
It is moving.
I would if there wasn't a mountain that way.
Barely moving, Carter.
Oh, crap. I'm currently undetected, so I'm gonna see if I can.
Frick.
Yep, that battleship missed completely.
Oh, crap, now I'm
Oh,
detected.
frick. Torpedo!
It's gonna go short. Short.
Just making sure I'm recording. Okay.
Wyoming.
This is barely out of range. Oh, cruiser. That cruiser sneaked up on us. It's a Danny or Danane.
Come on.
It got torp. Oh my god, torpedoes direct front.
Take out his
never
anti-air.
mind, it's not gonna hit. Oh.
There we go. Now I've got him on fire.
Okay,
Oh, but he immediately repaired like a scrub.
Wait, what was he again?
Those are anti-air. Like, I deal no damage to him, but I'm just trying to set him on fire.
Oh, set on fire, haha. Hope you enjoy that, cruiser. Getting some good hits on him. Is he still on fire? Oh, no he's not. Oh, he's on.
Oh, I set him on fire again. How are you guys doing over here at B? Do I need to come in?
No. We're doing that cheap Thursday. Oh, couldn't tell because of the mountain. Carter, prepare your guns.
Remind me, why have you taken command of this again?
Carter should know this because there's a battleship right there that's perfectly broadsided. It's a perfect opportunity for Carter.
Yeah,
Okay,
but I go
I'm gonna.
hit a island in my face.
Okay, I'm gonna run like as fast as I can in front of this little opening. See if I can get
coward.
He has 2 fires on him. I think he can't repair. He just rammed the dig ship. Come on, get. Oh my god, I took out 2 of his guns. Well, oh my god, fire. I didn't repair that.
The ship is on fire.
Wait, did a battleship set me on fire?
Problem solved, sir.
Okay, I'm just running straight across the channel. Wow, I'm at like 100 hits right now.
Bruh.
Oh god.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Alright, I've taken some hits.
What? What?
I
Fire.
didn't see it.
Alright. I ran across the mouth of the channel, so didn't do too much. Oh, that's what I was looking for. Hello. It's just
Ooh, heavy damage. I'm beached.
Are you really? You're beached?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes. Don't die then.
He's gonna die.
I don't really care if I die right now because like
I do.
he's going in for the ram.
Victor, the ship is on fire.
Like
Ooh,
really,
got him
I
on
don't
fire.
care at the moment because like I already caused so much damage. I just want to do as much damage as I can. Did I take him out though with my fires I caused? Oh, he's English. Ram him, Carter. Oh wait, he's dead.
Yeah, I killed him.
Good.
ADL, yeah, do you need help?
I'm trying to take out these destroyers.
Buy
Ooh, that
one,
is
get one
done.
free.
I got his steering. He's done.
Come on, Cannon.
Really? Really? You're gonna see how it is. Oh shit. I have no problem beating you, Destroyer.
Oh!
There goes your steering.
That's
How fun is that?
Oh, rip you.
Oh, rip me.
Ooh.
108 hits. 108 hits,
Bro, you
3
broke in half.
offenses, and 2 incapitations. I'm good.
You broke in half, rip.
Yeah, well. Well, that's what happens when you get hit by 4.
I got hit by 7 torpedoes.
See ya, guys.
Who's still in?
This match is the end of the battle. Yep, rip you. What is this Clemson doing? Oh, doing horrible torpedoes. I see. Bro, is he still launching torpedoes? What the heck is wrong with this guy? Those are not gonna hit.
What the fuck is that turning? Oh god, this is gonna hurt.
Oh no, use one of your
Oh, no.
repairs.
Oh jeez.
Oh
Barely. Barely.
I'm safe.
Oh, and tell.
Use when your repairs, the detail on this game is though. The detail of this game is like amazing though.
Hello, little one.
Oh no, oh no.
Please don't kill me.
Rip Carter.
Rip, you're screwed.
Come on, get him with your secondaries. Rip.
Rip,
Oh
you're
my
done.
god, definitely rip.
Rip.
Ah!
Ooh,
Ooh.
ooh,
Oh,
ooh.
not rip. Oh no, yes rip, yes rip.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Rip.
rip.
Yes rip. Come on, dodge, bruh.
Stupid.
I'm gonna watch Carter sink.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the same.
There's only one destroyer left, and we all know where he is.
Rip my little shippy. It was so beautiful.
Wait, everybody, stop talking, stop talking. I think you can. Yeah, you can hear it. Like, let me listen to it sinking. You can like kind of hear it creaking.
Doesn't even matter if we get this last destroyer.
We won anyways.
Yeah.
Still win.
The secondaries on the Nasu on the back is like amazing. It has like 4 turrets. Yep, there it goes.
Let's get a patch in my combat.
Game.
Well done, guys.
Ooh, 1,000 experience. Actually, I think I can get the next one, the Phoenix. I think. Oh my god, I can! I can get the Phoenix! Yes!
I got a promotion.
My cruiser acquired elite status. My cruiser just got elite status. It's an elite thing now, apparently. Now that I got the Phoenix, that means the experience that I earn on the St. Louis can now be converted to free experience. Or to convert it in, yeah.
Close, Amanda. Okay. Not close. Okay.
Well, I'm gonna get off actually, and also end this
Same.
video. But dang, I got the ship. Now next is the Omaha. And then what I really want is that Cleveland. Whew, that Cleveland. That's the Cleveland. Dang. Has a spotter plane and everything. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a Mountain Blade Warband and hopefully a totally accurate battle simulator. One, cause I uploaded a couple of them, totally accurate battle simulators, but then my internet went out and like the upload failed. So yeah. Well, that's it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this beautiful video.